All right, guys, welcome to Text Structure Day 7. Let me get to the top of this document here. This is a nonfiction text structure quiz. What I have given you is I've given you a total of 10 paragraphs, and I want you to read the paragraph, and I want you to name the text structure of each of the following paragraphs. So you are going to read the paragraph and then just simply write down the name of the paragraph's text structure that is being used. So quick little tidbit for you, there are a total of 2 of each type of text structures listed. So you have 2 compare and contrast, 2 cause and effects, 2 problem and solutions, 2 sequencing, 2 descriptions, and I believe that's it. So you have 2 of each type of text structure. The formatting of this document got really funky. I actually translated it from a PDF to a Google Doc, and when I did that, it got really wonky, guys. So you're gonna have to scroll down. There are paragraphs like on every page, it feels like, and then there's a bunch of like weird spacing. So I did what I could to try to get it the best that I could possibly get it for you. So you're gonna read the paragraph, write the name of the text structure. Keep scrolling. Again, the formatting is really weird. I couldn't get a lot of this stuff closer together, but we didn't really need it to look perfect. It's just paragraphs and identifying the text structure that's used. So when you are done reading each one of the paragraphs and identifying the text structures, you are at the very bottom for number, see what I mean by how weird it looks. At the number 11, you need to choose a text structure, and I want you to write a paragraph using that text structure. I want you to have at least 5 sentences, and I want you to write using proper grammar a text structure or a paragraph using a specific text structure. And down here, you have to write down what text structure you use and why you used it. That is it. A total of 11 problems, 10 paragraphs, 1 that you need to write yourself. Hopefully you guys ace this because we've been working on this for a long time, and I'll make sure to give you feedback and help you as you go. All right, take care, have fun.